Imagine building 5 AI apps completely for free, each from a single prompt. No coding, no developers, no setup at all. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do that using Google AI Studio's new build function, powered by Gemini 2.5 Flash, also called Nano Banana. And whenever we need cinematic video output, we'll switch to VO 3.1. All you do is describe the app in everyday English, and Gemini takes care of the rest. It writes the front end, the back end, the styling, and the logic automatically. One prompt, full app. That's what real no-code looks like. And by the end of this video, you won't just see 5 apps up and running. You'll also know how to access the same 5 free prompts so you can copy, paste, and launch them yourself. You're watching WhatsNextAI. Let's start with something really practical. This app takes a single illustration, whether it's a character, logo, or icon, and automatically generates multiple matching variations from it. Different expressions, poses, props, seasonal looks, all staying perfectly consistent with the original style. To use it, just go to Google AI Studio. You'll see 2 tabs, Chat, which works like a normal conversational AI, and Build, which is where the no-code magic happens. This is your entire development environment. Just copy the first prompt and paste it in. Once you run it, Gemini generates the whole app for you, the interface, the upload button, the variation grid, and all the logic connected to the image model. You don't have to touch any code. The preview updates live, and within a few minutes, a fully working tool is ready for you to use or share. Here's how it works. First, upload your illustration. A transparent PNG gives the cleanest result. Then type in the variations you want, like happy grin, shocked, crying with laughter, winking, and so on. Then click Generate. Wow, look at this. The app produces a full grid of new expressions and poses, all in the same style, same proportions, no strange distortions. You can export them individually or download everything in one batch if you need a full set at once. And it's perfect for things like YouTube overlays, stickers, email graphics, app UIs. Anytime you want the same illustration acting in different ways without redrawing it every single time. Let's move to the second app. And this one is a game changer if you create ads, product images, or social content at scale. This app lets you upload one base image, a food ad, product shot, poster, anything, and then apply multiple edit prompts in one run. Each prompt becomes its own variation, but the key is the brand elements stay locked. The logo stays, the text stays, the layout stays. Only the parts you ask Gemini to change will change. Just paste the second prompt into Gemini, hit run, and it builds the whole tool for you. Upload panel, multi-edit field, preview grid, export buttons. No code, no setup. Let's test it. I'm uploading a fast food promo image and adding lines like swap the fried chicken with a hamburger, replace it with sushi on a wooden tray, change the background to a sunny beach picnic scene, etc. Click Generate, and here come the results. That's cool. The new ads all keep the same layout, same logo, same text, and the food and background changes look natural. Everything still feels like a real, professionally designed ad. For exporting, you can save each image individually or download all the variations at once. Perfect for batch posting, quick A/B testing, seasonal campaigns, or menu updates in seconds. Next up is the third app. And this one is a lifesaver if you sell merch or design products for clients. This app lets you upload one artwork file, a logo, illustration, or graphic, and instantly preview it on real products like mugs, hoodies, tote bags, bottles, phone cases, and more. Perfect for print-on-demand sellers on Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, or Printify. It's basically your own instant merch mockup studio. Same process as before. Just copy the third prompt, paste it into Gemini, hit build, and the whole mockup tool is generated for you automatically. Let's give it a try. I'm uploading a logo design, and then I'll type in the product list, mug, t-shirt, phone case, or whatever you like. I'm choosing lifestyle as the scene style and clicking Generate. Look at that. Realistic lighting, natural shadows, correct fabric texture, and the artwork sits on every product exactly the way it should. No stretching, no blur, no cheap sticker effect. These are clean, ready-to-use mockups. You can download the mockups and upload straight into your store, your listing, or your ad creative without ordering samples, paying designers, or mocking it up manually in Photoshop. All right, let's jump into the fourth app. And this one is on a whole different level. This app takes 3 images, your product, a background, and a model or style reference, and turns them into a commercial-grade poster, plus a full cinematic storyboard you can animate later with Veo 3.1. Same workflow as before. Copy the 4th prompt, paste it into Gemini, hit build, and the full app builds itself. Let's test it. I'm uploading a product image of a headphone, a studio background shot, and a model photo for the campaign. Selecting aspect ratio 16:9. Click Make Poster. Now take a look at the result. The 3 input images now blend into one ad. The lighting matches, the shadows are consistent, the colors are graded together, and it actually feels like a real commercial layout, not 3 separate assets stuck together. Now here's the crazy part. Click Make Video Plan from Poster, and boom! The app instantly creates a 5-scene storyboard, unboxing, hero shot, lifestyle scene, close-up, call to action, all in the same visual style, same lighting, same product. One campaign, fully planned. If you click Show VO JSON, you'll see every scene includes camera movement and shot descriptions, already formatted for Veo 3.1, so if you have API access, you can animate the full ad directly from here. For now, even the free version gives you a full storyboard and visual flow, which is pretty amazing. And now we're on to the final app, the one that makes your ads look instantly out in the real world. This app lets you upload any poster or product ad, place it into real outdoor environments, and even add your own text on top, all with realistic lighting, depth, reflections, and accurate perspective. Same workflow. Copy the 5th prompt, paste it into Gemini, and the full placement app builds itself. To start, I'm uploading a watch image and then selecting 4 locations: an airport terminal billboard, a Seoul shopping street LED billboard, an office tower elevator door, and a luxury boutique storefront. I can also add a text line like, "Time is luxury." First, pick the font style, then choose the position, and finally select the color. Click Generate. Now take a look at the results. The watch poster blends naturally into every location. The angle matches, the reflections make sense, and the lighting feels like it was really shot there. No need to travel, no staging, no location fees, just upload and you're done. You can use these for LinkedIn posts, pitch decks, campaign mockups, or client proposals, all created in minutes instead of days. Before we wrap, here's the structure behind every one-prompt app in this video. The prompt is the app. You're not just describing what you want, you're defining the full blueprint. And I do that using this 6-part format: role, plus task, plus inputs, plus rules, plus outputs, plus UI. Once those 6 parts are defined, Gemini can build the entire app automatically. And if you want to build your own tools using the same 5 prompts, just comment "No Code Pack" and I'll send you the download link. Just copy-paste and your app will be live inside Gemini. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs faster workflows. This is WhatsNextAI. See you in the next one.